Egg tofu, also known as Japanese egg tofu or tamago-dofu, is a delightful and versatile ingredient that stands out in Asian culinary traditions. Contrary to its name, egg tofu is not a traditional tofu made from soy but rather a tofu-like product made primarily from eggs. It is made of egg liquid, pure water. It can also add soybeans, vegetable juice, seafood, etc., to enrich the taste and nutrition. Egg tofu is often sold in polyethylene (PE) bags. These bags are lightweight, flexible, and help maintain the freshness of the product. They are usually transparent or semi-transparent, allowing consumers to see the product inside. As a professional manufacturer and overall solution provider of egg tofu production line, we focus on providing customers with practical, cost-effective, reliable egg washing machine, centrifugal egg cracker, egg liquid mixing and filter machine, egg tofu filling and sealing machine, egg tofu cooking and cooling machine, and auxiliary machinery, and PE egg tofu bag. We also support the egg tofu formula, production process, technical support online.